mindset today, because I don't really talk about mindset, but I think people need mindset. I think, I'm not sure. Let me know. You know, you can, yeah, can let me know. And I think we all, I see myself as somebody that needs to grow because I believe that nobody is perfect. I understand. They told me that I was like perfectionistic, something like that, right? I'm aware I'm not. I just like to do my things right. It's different. Very different. I understand nothing is perfect. So I don't really use perfect as something. Sometimes I'm gonna say perfect just because of the word, but I'm not gonna say this phone is perfect. I'm not gonna say that. Because people say, oh, practice make it perfect. For me, it's wrong. Practice doesn't make perfect because there's nothing perfect. Practice make it permanent, different. Anyways, that's why a little, thing. And also what I realized this week, so it's like, why I'm saying that is because I have, mentorship, and also what I've seen, right, with the people struggling with or have difficulties. So it might help you. I don't know. So do you take any decision with trading because of the emotion that it gives you? That is a very good question. Do you take a trade or get out of a trade emotionally, or it because it doesn't? Yeah. So do you getting in trade because you're emotionally involved, because of FOMO, maybe, right? Oh, it's going up. It's now, bro. But no two tap, no three tap, no retest. It's just going to go up. So you want to ride it. So that is one. Ask yourself, because I think exactly. So it's a good question to ask yourself. So we're all in a different level of, I think in trading, you really have to know yourself to be a high level, let's say, trader. I don't think you can be a high level because of the mentorship, right? I don't think you're going to be a good trader if you don't know yourself. Because the market and trading is going to test you, your emotions, your greed, your FOMO. So a lot of aspects of you. So if you don't know that you have greed, trading will show you that you are, oh shit, I'm greedy. Oh shit. But you have to be conscious of also, because let's say this example. Alcohol is not good, right? For our body, or, it's not good. Point. There's no, no, alcohol is not good, but most people drink it. Who am I to say somebody, hey, drop your beer, bro? It's not good. Who am I to say, hey, your whiskey is not good for your health, bro? I'm not going to say that, because that person has to be conscious that it's not good and he's not going to drink, if that makes sense. You have to be conscious that you have a problem first before trying to find a solution. So, because, yeah, people kind of take trades because they are emotionally involved. That's good. But you have to be conscious. And second, you get out of the trade because you're emotionally involved. And then it continues in your direction, but you say, fuck, emotions again. Of course, sometimes I'm gonna say, fuck, it's just to say it, but I don't care. So the more you really detach, yes, TP tag. I was like, good. The more, so of course, I think everybody, yeah, it's normal. I think, I'm not sure, but I think everybody still has an attachment to the money, the amount of money. Oh shit, 1,005. I'm gonna close because it's 1,005 and I can do much. I can do a lot of things. Your emotion, you have emotions right now. The question you should ask yourself is, do the price is still doing what I want to see? That's the question, not the amount that you have. You go on the chart, okay, good, it's still making new highs, new low. I'm gonna ride it. But this is more rational decision because it gives you what you want. You're rational. But if you look at the amount, oh shit, 10K, bro, I'm out. So just know yourself about how you are, and ask yourself if you take an emotional decision or it's a rational decision. We are emotional. We are human, so we are emotional. Of course, women are more than men, but as a man, I am emotional. But what I realized also, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I'm just different, I don't know. I find that people has a hard time to get rid of their old self. I don't know. It's kind of I listen to people, and I don't want to say that I did achieve. I don't know. It's my progress, and this is what I've done. There's nothing to be, I don't know, cocky about what I've done, to be honest. It was just my progress, and I just progress. That's it. That's how I see it. I'm not special, to be honest. I'm not. But what makes me, because I mentor people, so I want to find the problem and try to solve it, right? That's my role as a mentor, one of them. So, okay, good. What I did for improve myself, I think it's, I can say that maybe in a short period of time, I can, of course, be better because I have this mindset, I'll always be better. When I think, yeah, there's a lot of things there, but anyways, how I was, just say that, how I was capable of, I don't know, let me know. Put 222 in the chat box. If I tell you today, tomorrow you're going to speak in front of 400 people. Put 222 in the chat box if you will take the challenge. Tomorrow, 400 people. 222 in the chat if you take it. 333 if you don't. And just be real, right? Just be real. 400 people tomorrow. Boom. So we have Victor. Okay. Nice. I don't know. It's a big thing. It's a big thing to talk in front of 400 people and you said, tomorrow, you do it. I don't know. But anyways, it's just example. Would be nice to see. Honestly, it would be nice to see the people that says 222 and they take the challenge. would be very nice. Just saying. Because maybe I fucked up, but I will learn. Yeah, but it's a one thing to really do it and say that you will. Yeah, that's a very like good, nice because you have done it. It is good, right? Not really sure that things become a challenge. Yeah, but anyways. So what I want to say, because I think it will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. I realize, I don't know it's fair. I think people have a hard time to get rid of their old self. What I mean by that is because, for example, I go to the gym, but my old me was not going to the gym. How you transition to that? Because we're talking about the gym, we can talk about reading books, we can talk about personal development, we can talk about being better as a person, any field. It can be food, diet, financial, gyms, you know, because I think everybody knows what they have to do. Everybody knows. Go to the gym, read more, do personal development. I think to become a better person, not to fuck around, right? If you want to be better as a person and grow, I just think you already know what you have to do. But what's difference what you know what to do and you actually do it? That's a very good question. Tell me, somebody. Damn, tired of talking. I'm just kidding. When you take action and do something, I feel like it's your somehow trading is different. Yes, trading is really different. It's big. You know why it's different? You have control, nothing. No, sorry. You don't have control of nothing, but you don't control the market. But you control when you enter and when you get out, of course, yes. So when you go to the gym, you take the 20 or the 40, you know, you have control. You have control, right? But in trading, because you have to be better, you have to improve. So it's kind of the same thing. But I'm just talking about mindset, not skills necessarily, right? I'm talking about mindset. So, yeah, if somebody can answer the question, what makes somebody, because I think everybody know what they have to do, but what makes a difference between, if somebody asks you, what's make the difference between somebody that know what to do and somebody that actually do it? Of course, nobody has the answer. Of course, somebody has an answer. Oh.
I would say its purpose. Maybe, I don't know. Like the purpose of the person doing it has to be more intense than the purpose of the person who's not doing it. The person who's not doing it might miss his why or might miss something around him. He doesn't have all the tools, maybe, you know. I don't know. It's just an opinion.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you for showing. I'm gonna tell you why. Because yes, of course you can say, yes, discipline, yeah. Do you think most people are disciplined? I'm not gonna answer this one. But yeah, but what makes somebody disciplined? That's the question. What makes it somebody that is disciplined? Why somebody is disciplined and why somebody is not? Like what?
Laziness.
Yes. But yeah, it's too easy come answer. It's like too easy. No, okay. So everybody is different. Everybody has their own, right? things. Of course, why, but the why is kind of general. The why is kind of, yeah, the why, but it's kind of general. So if I said it to myself, and you find your own way, right? But I'm just gonna show you how I progress. That's it. So when I was going to the gym before, I stopped going to the gym because I prioritized at that time business, trading, and my work. So I knew that I need to put the gym on the side. Cool. And then when after a few months that I didn't go to the gym, I was lifting something and I was, damn, I'm weak, bro. And I didn't want to feel weak again. So that's why I said, when I'm gonna quit my job, I'm gonna go to the gym. It's simple to say, but hard to do, to transition to do something new. We can lie, we can say, yeah, you know what to do and everybody's doing it, but it's a lie. So why I go to the gym? That's the question. So I said gym, but it can be for anything, financial, relationships, whatever it is. So I'm just taking gym for you to maybe understand. So the why I go to the gym is because I want to be stronger. It's not because I want to be in shape. To be honest, I don't care. I'm not very a surface level person. I'm not. I consider myself as a deeper level person in any fields. Like if I know somebody, I don't care about your surface. Ha ha ha, by that. I don't care. I want to know who you are at core, but depends on the type of person. This person, I don't give a shit. But anyways, so for me is to be stronger, not surface level. There's people that says, I want to be in shape. I don't think it's high enough for you when you have something at the surface level to do something. So if most of people, right, when they know about trading or they want to be in trading, what they're gonna see? Surface level. The money. That's really surface. For trading, it's surface level. They're not gonna last if they only look at that surface level. That's my opinion. And after that, how can I transition to really do it? To go to the gym. At the gym, if you see me with that shake, it's because I went to the gym. So I give myself a reward by going to the gym. I don't really want to go to the gym because it's painful, you're gonna suffer, you're gonna push. It's hard work, to be honest. So I'm thinking about that shake, that protein shake with a lot of fruits. I want that. But what I have to do to have it, because I take it after, not before, like a sneaky guy, oh, I'm gonna buy it and then go home. No, I'm not a pussy, I'm not a bitch. So this is why at first, because it's hard for any habits to do, right? Either it's reading books or whatever, right? So one thing is, of course, the why, but it has to be strong. It has to be at a deeper level than just surface. If it's not surface, if it's just surface level, forget about it. You're not gonna last. Second thing, it's find a reward from it. If you're reading books, I don't know, there's people that love chocolate. So if you're reading books, I'm gonna take one chocolate. If you cheat, you cheat. I don't care. You lie to yourself. Me, I don't care. But I don't cheat. When I go to the gym, I take my shake after the gym. Don't take it that before, it's useless and the fuck, right? So that's one. And after that, it's gonna come a habit. After a long period of time that you're doing what you're doing, the new you. So you're focusing on your new you. And think about the old you. I don't know. So I don't, to be honest, I don't know. For example, every weekend you go, I don't know, I'm not saying that it's bad, right? I'm just saying that, for example, you drink every weekend, but you're tired of that. But it becomes a habit. Right? And then you're tired of your old you. Your old you, it's every weekend at the fucking bar. But focus on your new you. How you focus on your new you? What your new you is gonna do instead of going to the bar. Okay, my new me want to go, I don't know, go to the gym, eat better, cook, I don't know, whatever that will improve in any aspect of your life. That's how, yeah, focus. How I progress is just because I was thinking about my new me all the time. I want to be stronger. Do I want to be weak or I want to be stronger? Do I want to still having that old me or no, I want to be stronger? Boom, stronger, boom, boom. You always like the new me. My mindset was like, I'm looking to my new me. I don't care about my old me. Because why people, there's a lot of things, but why people, so we have to understand also why people getting into the old them, right? A lot of things. So one of them is, bro, I grew up in a poor family. Bro, at my work, it's all like shitty mindset. I don't know. For me, it's just excuse. For me, even if for you it's like it sounds like a reason, for me it's just excuse. Yeah, they take it as, yeah, but bro, you know, I have a kids. You know, I did overtime. You know, it was vacation. For me, it's all excuse. I don't care. See, if people not doing something but they're supposed to do, and they say to me, I was in vacation. Okay. I don't care. I don't care about what is like, no, if I don't do something, I'm gonna take accountability. Yeah, I think it's a good word. Yeah, and we talk about accountability, but in everything, if I don't do something, even if there's a reason, I'm gonna say my bad, my fault. My fault. I show up late, I have a flat tire. Yo, bro, my fault, my bad, bro. But of course, there's a reason, but I'm gonna take it on me. I'm not gonna say, life. Yeah. Why I'm saying that is because I think it's easier, and people, I'm not gonna say most people, I'm gonna say people find that, you know, as it's easy to pick up, you know, it's easy to pick up. Bro, I have kids, I have to, I understand. I'm not saying that you don't have to feed your kids or whatever it is, take care of them. I'm just saying, okay, cool, good, you know. So yeah, I think how you would improve in anything, including trading, is focusing on your new you and starting to get rid of your old you. What is your old you? You know it. You have to. So like I said, to improve in trading, you have to know yourself. What are you good at? Are you a green personality? Are you a red personality? Do you work on your FOMO? Do you still take trade because you have the FOMO? So all these questions, answer. Who is your new you? If you're too green, might be some spice. That would be, you know, your new you a bit there. If you're too red, put some green. Eat some veggies, you know, less spice. So you have to know yourself. Focus on your new you and not what you did. Yeah, but bro, I'm too red. I know you're too red, but it is working for you to be too red. If the answer is no, you already know what you have to do. That's I hope you understand. You're too red. Put some green, eat some veggies. Good. Because that's how I think. I don't want to say that's how people should, but that's how I think. I don't like olives. I don't. Taste too. I don't. But I was eating at a restaurant somewhere, whatever, and I asked the people there, you know, the friends, blah, 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 are olives good for health? It is good for the body. Somebody say yes. I said, okay, show me a proof. Antioxidant, benefits, blah, blah, blah. Makes sense. What I did, because my mindset is, I'm going to eat something if it's good for my body, regardless the taste. Knowing me before, but it's easy to say if you eat good. But if you know me as a kid, I'm a meat lover, love meat. So I don't really eat veggies when I was a kid. Put that on the side. So do you see how I was focusing on my new me and what my new me says? My new me says, if it's good, it's beneficial for my body, my health, I'm going to eat it, regardless the taste. So what happened at the restaurant, it was all you can eat there. They have green olives and black olives, correct? I took both and was eating. Boom, boom. That's how I think. But it's not about the olives. It's about my new me. I hope it helps you, to be honest. I think this is one way. I don't know. I don't want to say it's the only way. I just think that is a good way for you to improve your current situation. Can be in training, can be in physics, whatever you want to achieve. This, you know, you want something, right? So 2 to 2 if it was good, or it was like 35 minutes of shit. What are you talking about? What's the chart? Put me on Forex like, what the fuck, bro? Cool, amazing. But yeah, because I think you know me kind of. I don't want to talk for nothing. I usually talk to that. That's my new me. I think some of you know, or all of you know. If I talk, I want to give value or some sort of inspiring people. If not, I'm gonna say listen to somebody that give me value. That's how I think. You know, I don't want to talk to nothing, but if there's something about mindset or something you want to talk about and you think it's valuable, you can ask me, or, you know. So think about that. But it's a deep thinking, really, to focus on your new you. But I think that if you make it happen, it's gonna improve your current situation. I should make that fucking, oh, it's recorded. I don't know. I think it's a good thing. I think yeah, it's a good thing. But anyways, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Whoever needed. So, yeah. So now let's go back to the chart. Yeah, it was good. It was good. Okay, so today not really much news. Be careful tomorrow to CPI there. We predicted good news. I'm gonna talk my position about this news here, and okay, I'm gonna keep it. So 20K. 20 minutes. Okay, so CPI tomorrow, we put the good news here. Sorry, equal. Slightly bad news for the employment claims. And Friday would be core PPI. So of course, we already know CPI is bigger than PPI. Let's see tomorrow. I'm kind of 50-50 if we look on gold, right? So I'm gonna talk about gold. And also the setup that I took on gold yesterday was kind of here, and also US 30. Why I'm 50-50? So one thing is because we are bearish since this level, we are bearish. Beautiful bearish momentum, but on the other side, we're getting into a demand zone. That's why I'm 50-50. So tomorrow, I already talked about how you can trade CPI, you know, if it gives you, that's me. If it gives me a nice consolidation, I might look for buy stop, sell stop, right? That decision, I will make it tomorrow at 8, around there, just before. But if it's trendy, I might be more careful about doing that because I don't like when it's like trendy. And also, the thing is, okay, if we have a good news, so I kind of have two scenarios, right? So if we have a good news on USD, so it means that gold should go down, right? So if we play the buy stop, sell stop, and we do have a nice push to the downside, I will be careful within the next minute to really react. Why? Because we're getting into the demand zone. So until we hold above 1900, we can still see the price pushing to the upside. Unless we broke, nice break, right? And continue to the downside. So that's my take on gold for tomorrow. So until we stay, I don't know if I can say that. I don't know if it's properly said, but if we stay above 1900, we can still look for buys. But if we break a nice clear breakout, this is where we can look at this level here. This is my take on that. Like I said, I kind of 50-50 because of we are in a bearish momentum here, but we're getting to a good buying zone. So that's my take on gold. I'm gonna okay, so yesterday, oh yeah, gold, I don't know, lately gold was really, I think, choppy and messy at times, right? I didn't really like trading gold lately, honest. But yesterday we were here, so I'm just gonna show you what was in my mind, why I took the decision or this and that. So I was looking at this level. Yeah. Initially, I was looking at this level here, 25-ish and 26 there. And I think I went a big, yeah, here. So I was like, I don't know when I said that, but I'm kind of in between. So it was the top there, 30, 1930-ish here. That we do have a push, nice push right at the NFP. And I said, it's hard to look at good buying zone here because there's many levels. So I'm gonna go with price action and the reaction at these level here. So I was like, kind of hard to look at this level. I was kind of confused. So yesterday I was waiting. Yesterday was nope, that was today. Here. I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, so little drop before 8. And then at 8, I was like, okay, very paying attention about the reaction, price action. Cool. Nice close right here. Good. So I'm just gonna put the line to see the reaction if we get back at this level here, right? Start to push it up. A higher high. I would consider this as okay, cool. So I might look for the retracement, right? So I was also on the 1 minute there. What is the understanding about it? Okay, so on the 1 minute, what we had, nice push to the upside and also a high. This is what I want to see. I want to see buyers getting into the market also with that high here, but I was aware about this. So I was waiting for that pullback. You see the line there? Boom, we did close above. This is where my first position was ongoing. Nice closure here. I'm playing that retest, potential retest. This is where I'm entering, but my stop loss was here, below here. So I put it like this, push it up, get back, and I was like moving. You can move it here, good. If it makes a lower low, this is where I'm gonna be out. And then we did close, whoop, get back to the level, close above. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna react with what I see with the market. Boom, 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 good, nice 1-to-1. And then I BE, right? Got me out. So I was still paying attention about this level here. I didn't enter here at this moment. Nice push. So what is the understanding, right? You understand about the price, right? So nice push to the upside on the 1 minute. And if you go on the 5 minutes, boom, close above. So I was like, okay, cool. What is this? The 3 scenario. The 3 scenario is smart money move, potentially close above, might push, take the retest, and go on. That's one scenario. The other scenario was a nice clear break and retest, and I look for shorts. And the other is like we hold here the bottom, have a high, retest, boom. This was my 3 scenario. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, cool. So I'm gonna take the retest of that, right? Here. So I took this line, I put it here. Like nice closure above on the 5 minutes. Nice impulsive red candles to the upside. Got here, I was waiting. Boom, here I entered. Stop loss here, TP1, TP2, and 30-ish was my TP, whatever. So because I didn't like what I saw on go, it was like choppy and didn't really want to give a direction, I closed 90% at this level here. Because of the condition of the market, I was not really optimist because it fuck around. So this trade is done. I go on US 30. And also I'm gonna, I don't know, I like I like the number 3. So 3 scenarios, right? So I'm gonna show you also 3 sign of reversal. 3 sign of reversal. We already talked about it, but I'm gonna dive in. And like I said, it doesn't matter what you know. It doesn't matter what I know. What matters is what we apply about what we know. Damn, that's good. Damn, this call is good. What happened? what I eat. So, so I was looking on gold and slightly pay attention about US 30. So it was going down, going down. Is the shake. I drink every day, but whenever I go, right? And yeah, just to finish with that. So last week, usually when I go to the gym, right, it's like 3-4 times a week. But my goal, my plan is a plan, right? I understand the plan and what you take as an action. My plan is to go 5 days a week, but it's like kind of too much, right? But last week, my friend, when I was at the gym, Friday, he told me, bro, it's been 5 days this week. And I was not aware that it was I did went 5 days, to be honest, last week. Why? Not because I have a mémoire de poisson, vraiment pas, right? How do you say that? Fish memory? I don't know in English. It's because when you're doing something for a long period of time, it becomes a habit. If you drive a car now and it's been 5, 10 years, do you really think about what you have to do before starting the car? No, you do it. You don't think about that. So when he told me that I went 5 days, I was like, oh, nice. Right? Why I'm saying that is just because the new you. If you're doing something for a long period of time, it will become natural to do it. Anyways, so US today I was paying attention, it was going down and everything. I was like, okay, cool. And I was looking at US today because gold fuck around. So give yourself also options. If one of your trades like fucking around, you can, look at something else. So for US 30, I was looking at this bottom because I play the bottom and tops most of the time. Where it is, bro? So I was paying attention about this level here, right? We did drop lower, but it's still a good zone for me. Why? Because of this. So you have to understand the pattern, right? So here, even if you went lower, what happened? Whoop, nice push to the upside, all right? So I was paying attention about this demand zone, nice imbalance here, right, on the 1 hour. So when we did hit the area here, right? So the first sign of reversal. So we were bearish. So the first sign that it will reverse is we holding the level. So this is for the buy, right? It's gonna be reversed for the sell. But sorry guys, yes, see you Monday, man. Waiting for that pizza. Last time was very good. I don't know what he put inside. I think it was love. You put love inside, so it was really good. So if you can make it again for Monday, would be fucking appreciated. But anyways, I'm gonna end with something. Anyways, so I don't know what happened. Yes. Oh, you still on the call? No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god, bro. All right, cool. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, man. To be honest, it's really good. I'm not a pizza guy, but when I go to your restaurant, man, to be honest, I eat the pizza. I'm not a pizza guy, so it's a good thing. So first sign is we hold the level. So what I play here is H1, H4 buy area, demand zone, and also I played the second tap. Second tap, I took it after. Nice push. Didn't get back here. Boom, I was in. So I was playing the second tap and also demand zone. And nice push to the upside, right? Nice push, boom, I'm in. Quick, nice stop loss here. The second sign of reversal is higher high. The third one is a higher low. Boom. Nice freaking scenario. You know where we saw that? The same scenario that we talk about, right? It's not something new. It's a refreshing. Double tap, higher high, higher low, boom. DXY when it was here. So I played the same setup. And it worked on USD. So that is my setup on USD. I was targeting 1,000 pips, to be honest. Why? Why I didn't write it? So that's the question. Why I could, why I didn't, is because I didn't sleep yesterday. So I didn't sleep yesterday. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna sleep 2 hours. And I didn't want to follow the trade. That's why I didn't write it. But if I was paying attention, of course, I could have been rich, but I'm not. Because it went up very, 3,000 pips or so. 4,000 pips or so. But yeah, this is why I took off, and I was comfortable with that decision. That's the thing. You have to be comfortable with that. How do you feel in emotion? Super calm when you wake up. To be honest, I was okay. I was like, okay, cool, nice. You went up. It's like, okay, cool. He hit my target. He went up. Beautiful. That's okay. So that's also the thing. When you will focus on your new you, and one of your new you will be not attached to the result. The amount of money that you made. I was targeting 1,000 pips. I had my 1,000 pips. I went to sleep 2 hours. Went up. Good. Somebody that trade and tell me that, I already know that he did some personal development. Or he's just, I don't know. He's just, he don't know the trading. He don't know. But somebody that trade and have this reaction, I was like, damn, the guy is good. He didn't say, ah, j'aurais dû, là, pas dormir, là, puis après rester un peu plus, là, puis... Huh? So, yeah, I don't know. I try to find myself, right, in that, this is what I want to hear, but I wonder if you had a thought. Before, my old me, yes. My old me was like, what the fuck, what I just did? I don't sleep no more. No more sleep, what the fuck? 4,000 pips move, and I slept. So yeah, that's a huge improvement for you if you do something like that. Not, yes, of course, with trading, but good example. You're driving. Somebody cuts you. Now what's gonna do? Lower your window. Fuck you, bitch. What are you doing? Blah, blah, blah. Honk, highlights, colloquy. That's your old you. It is really worth it. Because I was thinking about that, because I don't drive that much, because since I stopped working, so I kind of around, drive around, but not that much, right? So when I was driving and dropped my family to the airport, somebody cuts me. And I was like, bitch, that's it. That's it. It was like, oh, bitch. And I just like continue my shit. Didn't want to put energy on that. Didn't want it. That's my new me. My new me win. If you have this mindset, I already talk about it, but at the end of the day, ask yourself if your new you win or your old you win. That's a very good question before sleeping. Or you can ask your girlfriend. I don't have girlfriend, so your boyfriend. I don't know. You know, do something. Find a way to ask yourself who won today. But also, don't be. It's very important. Don't be ashamed. Don't. What's the word I'm looking for? Don't self-sabotage. That's the word. If you win today, don't say, I feel like shit. I'm going to cry on the corner of the room. I'm a bitch. No. Okay, my only win, why? What happened? You know? Okay, cool. I didn't react as I'm supposed to. Tomorrow, my new me is going to take over. I don't care. That's it. Because you're in the progress. It's going to be a lie if you tell me, tomorrow I'm gonna be a new trader, all my flaws I'm gonna be flawless trader. No, it's a lie, bro. And you're not lying to me. It's a good thing. Sometimes people talking to me, I think about things, but I don't say it. I just think, say, okay, cool, you're lying to yourself and I don't care. I don't, you know. Okay, cool. You lie to yourself. Bye. You know. Okay, cool. But I understand we are in progress. I'm still improving as a person. I think there's a long way for me. Also, if my eyes are awake, I need to learn something. That's my mindset. You see how I was like fucking meat lover, no veggies, and now I eat fucking olives, and even if it tastes like shit, I take the black, I take the green there. But how? What happened? You understand? So it's just like, okay, it is beneficial for my body, my wealth, my health, the better person that I am, that I want to be. It is beneficial in any regards. What I'm gonna do. If the answer is yes, boom. Boom, that's it. The answer is yes, boom. Yeah. Last thing. Yeah, last thing. I don't know. Do I talk about it? Yes, I think, yeah, because it's mindset, right? It's improving, so I'm going to talk about it. And you take it or you leave it, right? So if you're working at a job or having a relationship, so we're going to go with the relationship part, right? But it's the same thing as working. Okay, so I met somebody and that woman says she was scared. Yeah, I think she was not, yeah, I think she was unfulfilled in her relationship. She was not épanouie, I think. But she said to me, but I don't know if I'm gonna find better if I leave him. I said, that's not the right question you should ask yourself. The right question you should ask yourself, this is me, I'm nobody, right? So I'm gonna say in French because I don't know how to say it in English. Est-ce que tu subis la relation ou tu choisis d'être dans la relation? Et la deuxième question, est-ce que tu es épanoui? Point. C'est tout. C'est les deux seules questions que tu devrais te poser, à mon avis, si tu es dans une relation. Est-ce que tu subis la relation parce que tu es attaché? D'où vient l'importance de s'attacher à rien et d'ouvrir à tout? Il faut le comprendre. C'est bien de le dire. Tout le monde le dit, attache-toi à rien, faut ça ouvert à tout, blablabla. Est-ce que tu le fais? Ça, c'est la question. Des fois, quand deux personnes sont ensemble, c'est peut-être à cause plus de l'attachement et non de l'amour. Il faut juste faire la différence. Right? Mais on n'est pas dans un dating site, là. Mais c'est juste la compréhension de ça. Est-ce que tu es épanoui dans ta job? Est-ce que tu es épanoui dans qu'est-ce que tu fais? Est-ce que tu choisis de faire? C'est sûr que comme, OK, good. Si à un moment donné, par exemple, moi, je travaille, puis c'est la meilleure carte que j'ai, OK, parce que oui, je dois manger, tu dois vivre, right? Je comprends ça. Si c'est la meilleure carte que tu as en main, good. Mais dans un sens, tu sais que c'est temporaire. Si tu subis la job, si tu subis la relation. Mais après ça, si tu veux subir une relation, ben c'est à toi, puis c'est chill, right? Si tu es heureuse comme ça, subir une relation, ou, il y en a qui sont heureux, c'est chill. Moi, je kiffe, moi, right? Alors, posez-vous cette question-là par rapport à pourquoi ça? Parce que ça, c'est la peur de l'inconnu. C'est ça, ouais. Pourquoi je parle de tout ça? C'est la peur de l'inconnu. Tout le monde a peur de l'inconnu. Il n'y a aucun human being qui n'a pas peur de l'inconnu. OK, je connais aucun. Ouais, mais si je quitte ma job, est-ce que la nouvelle job va être meilleure? Tu sais pas, bro! Mais la question que tu devrais te poser, la vraie question, tu subis ta job ou tu choisis d'être là? Tu es épanoui dans ta job ou pas? Non, je ne suis pas épanoui, puis je subis. Good! Ça ne veut pas dire nécessairement que qu'est-ce que tu vas faire par la suite, ça va t'épanouir ou tu vas choisir, tu ne sais pas. C'est la peur de l'inconnu. Mais tu vas quand même le faire parce que ça ne répond plus à toi. Tu n'es plus bien. Pourquoi je dis ça? Parce que c'est beau de dire quelque chose, mais comme... Non, parce que quand j'étais à ma job, j'avais travaillé... moi, je travaillais depuis 15, 14 ans, sur 15 ans dans le... Il faut penser, là. Avec 15 ans, je travaille dans le 9 à 5. Pour moi, c'est normal de travailler. Au début, quand je fais trading, business puis trading, ou la job, business puis trading, pour moi, c'était normal d'aller travailler. C'est parce que j'avais implémenté le trading plus le travail. C'est normal. Mais c'est venu à un point où c'est quoi les choses? L'environnement de merde. T'as des gars qui ont des vieux mindsets de cul, de 9 à 5. Rien de constructif, oui. L'autre chose, c'était que j'ai réalisé à un moment donné que je donnais 8 heures à quelqu'un. Je donnais fucking 8 heures à quelqu'un, mais avant, je ne le réalisais pas. J'ai comme non, je suis comme choisi d'être là. Mais il y a eu un déclic. Pourquoi? Je ne sais pas. Fuck, je donne fucking 8 heures à quelqu'un, man. Je pourrais aller au gym. Je pourrais fucking lire. Je pourrais être super saiyan, tu sais. Mais bon, ça. Je peux méditer, je veux être spirituel, tu comprends? Je veux dire, je vais aller, tu comprends? So, c'est 8 heures de plus que ça va être à moi. Good! Puis après ça, je conduisais un camion, puis je suis comme, yo, ça fait 10 ans que je fais ça, bro, je suis fucking tanné, c'est quoi cette merde? Comment? Alors, je suis bizarre, puis je n'étais pas épanoui. Est-ce que j'avais peur de l'inconnu? Est-ce que je savais que DT Nation allait marcher? Est-ce que je savais qu'est-ce qui m'attendait? Non! Je savais que dalle! Mais je me suis dit, fuck that shit, j'ai envie de le faire. C'est juste ça. C'est la question. Ça, c'est la troisième dernière question. J'ai envie de le faire. Est-ce que ça va marcher? Moi, encore lisse. Je vais le faire. Puis ça ne marche pas, c'est chill. Je vais aller, je sais pas, je vais parler avec des aliens, je sais pas, moi, je vais faire autre chose. Tu sais? C'est tout. Mais comprenez tout ça. Tu sais? C'est un processus, mais aussi quelque chose qui peut être bon pour vous dans la vie. Tout le monde a peur de l'inconnu. Mais est-ce que tu as envie de le faire? Est-ce que où ce que tu es en ce moment, tu es à l'aise, tu es bien? Si tu es bien, chill! Mais si tu subis et tu n'es pas épanoui, il faut quelque chose, bro. C'est la première question. C'est prendre conscience. Ensuite, savoir c'est quoi la solution. Et pour finir, ça, c'est une deep question aussi. C'est tout en deep. Oh, deep level, fuck surface level. Mais ça, c'est moi, OK? Si vous êtes surface level, c'est chill, blablabla. Mais moi, je suis très deep level. Je m'en fous un peu qu'est-ce qu'il y a. Si vous faites quelque chose, tu fais... OK. Je pense, tu as deux choix. Ça, c'est moi. Je pense que tu as deux choix. Dans n'importe quoi que tu le fais soit par fear ou par faith. N'importe quoi que tu fais dans la vie, tu le fais soit par fear ou par faith. Ah, je ne veux pas arriver en retard parce que j'ai peur que mon boss, blablabla. Ah, je suis obligé d'amener ma mère à l'église parce que sinon elle va être fâchée. J'ai peur. Alors, n'importe quelle décision. Ah non, j'ai une autre question après. Tabarnak, c'est long. Mais non, c'est important. Right? Anyways, la phase tuning, c'est un peu fini. So, posez-vous la question. N'importe quoi que vous faites, est-ce que vous le faites à cause que vous avez peur de le faire? J'ai peur que ma femme me chicane, j'ai peur que mon... Tu comprends? Tu fais quelque chose par rapport à la peur ou par rapport à la foi? Tu as envie de le faire. Ça me fait peur, mais j'ai envie de le faire. J'ai envie de sauter de... Non, ok. D'un avion, tu sais, comment tu dis ça? Whatever. Tu as envie de le faire, pas parce que tu as peur. Ah, yo, je suis obligé. Tu comprends? Ça, c'est la peur. Si tu es obligé de faire quelque chose, c'est de la peur. Si tu as envie de faire quelque chose, là, c'est fate. Ça, c'est une fucking bonne question à se poser à n'importe quoi que vous faites. Et c'est les mêmes questions que je me posais. Tu sais, c'est pas, je ne raconte pas l'affaire que j'ai vue. Non, c'est les questions que je me suis fucking posées. Est-ce que j'ai envie de faire ça ou pas? Est-ce que je le fais par rapport à la peur ou je le fais parce que j'ai envie de le faire? C'est les questions que je me pose. Puis, dernière chose, c'est ça la dernière chose. Puis ça, c'est important aussi. J'ai sûrement eu une révélation hier. Je dors plus. J'ai plein de messages. C'est pas vrai. C'est pas vrai, c'est une blague. Ça, c'est important. Tout ce que vous savez. Est-ce que tout qu'est-ce que vous savez? Non. Tout qu'est-ce que vous croyez? Ça. Tout qu'est-ce que vous croyez? Est-ce que c'est par rapport à votre expérience? C'est par rapport à votre expérience ou c'est quelqu'un d'autre? Vous l'avez entendu de quelqu'un d'autre. Ça, c'est important. So, je vais donner un exemple. Il y en a qui vont croire au Flat Earth Community. Il y en a. La Terre est flat, bro. OK. Comme le fait à ta femme. C'est une blague. Il y en a qui vont croire au Flat Earth Community. Il y en a qui vont croire que la Terre est ronde. Qui a raison? On s'en fout qui a raison. Parce que cette information-là, si elle vient de externe, moi, je pensais qu'elle était rectangle. Si l'information est externe, mais pourquoi je dis ça? Ça, c'est important. Parce qu'il y a des gens qui vont se battre pour un belief qui ne vient pas de eux. Ah non, la Terre est plate. Ah, j'ai vu les preuves. Blablabla. Menteur, c'est même pas vrai. Qu'est-ce que tu dis? La Terre n'est pas ronde à cause des avions. Blablabla. OK, tu prends un fight. Tu mets de l'énergie d'un belief qui ne vient même pas de toi, qui vient de externe. Tu es prêt à fight pour ça? Ça, c'est le dernier take. N'importe quoi que vous croyez, est-ce que c'est par rapport à votre propre expérience ou ça vient de quelqu'un d'autre? Parce que ne vous battez pas ou ne mettez pas de l'énergie sur quelque chose qui ne vient pas de votre propre croyance, votre propre vécu. Ça, c'est fucking important. Alors, j'espère que vous avez aimé ce call aujourd'hui. Je ne sais pas qui se marie, mais je voulais partager avec vous si ça peut vous aider à n'importe quel aspect. Parce que oui, c'est sûr que oui, on parle de trading, mais en même temps, je sais que c'est mindset. So, si c'est quelque chose que vous pouvez, vous prenez et vous laissez, right? Right. So, passez une belle soirée. Faites attention à CPI tomorrow, right? Et let's fucking get it. Peace.